Hey guys, how's it going, and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to see deleted messages on Messenger. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to open up the Messenger app. Okay, next up, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna click on the three bars at the top left right here, and next step, what I'm gonna do, you're gonna see right here next to my name, you're gonna see a settings gear. So I'm gonna click on it. Okay, next up, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna scroll a little bit down till you see the last option, which is the logo of Meta, the manufacturer company. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna just click on see more on the Meta. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead to the account settings, and you're gonna see multiple options. Go ahead and select your information and permissions. Okay, next up, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna wait out for a few moments, and now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just click download your information. Okay, and from there, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead into requesting a download. Okay, and if you have more than one account, you're gonna select the specific account that you want to recover. And in my case, I'm gonna just leave that out. Okay, and I'm gonna just hit next. Okay, next up, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just wait up for a few moments right here. And now what I want to do, if I want to complete copy, just go ahead and click complete copy. And if you want to select type of information, go ahead right there, and you're gonna wait up for a few moments right here. And as you can see right here, you get to choose the information that you want to receive. So in my case, I'm gonna choose messages. Okay, so I'm gonna hit next. I'm gonna wait up for a few moments as well, and preferably the notification or the notify email should be the email that you actually use, so you can actually see the message once it's approved. And the format as well, it should be on HTML, which is pretty common. And here you're gonna see the media quality. If you want it to be high, medium, whatever, or even low, just go ahead and select it. And the date range. Okay, and the date range, if you want it to be last year, last 6 months, last 3 months, okay, or last 3 years, or all the time, you can just go ahead right here and to select it all the time, and just click save. And now we're gonna click submit request right here, and it should be taking maybe a couple hours or maybe days in order to from Messenger or Meta to accept or approve your request. Afterwards, you're gonna see it appearing right here. If we went back into the same settings right here, downloading your information, you're gonna see right here the view past file request, and you're gonna see all the past requests that you asked the Meta to approve for. Let me know in the comments. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you.